Hello friends! I have a few announcements to make about upcoming art events that I'm participating in. I went to Lake City, South Carolina today to deliver my piece for Artfields. Now Artfields is a yearly art event. It's a juried exhibition. This year there's $120,000 worth of prizes, with the top prize of $50,000, which is pretty significant. Pretty stoked to be one of the 400 people that got picked out of 900 applicants to participate in this exhibition this year. So if you're in or around Lake City, South Carolina between April 20th and 28th, stop by and check it out. Hopefully you'll see my piece and maybe give it a vote, because there is a Viewer's Choice Award. The next event that's coming up is the University of South Carolina's art auction. Every year the McMaster Gallery has an art auction, and it consists of work from alumni and students. I have 2 pieces in this year. Actually, you can see the video of those. So that is March 28th. I'll put links in the description if you're interested in seeing more information. The next event that I'm excited for is Columbia Open Studios, April 7th and 8th. Basically, a bunch of participating artists in Columbia open their studios to the general public, and they can come in, see your space, see what you're doing. Some people give demos. I don't know if I'm going to give a demo because the stuff I do is really messy. So if you're in or around Columbia, feel free to stop in. Of course, this weekend is the Woodworking show in Atlanta. I won't be staying for the whole weekend, but I think I'm going to go on Friday. Hopefully if you are there, you can keep your eye open for me and say hi. I might even have stickers. I want to say a sincere thank you to everyone that's been watching, liking, commenting, and just giving me general support in my videos. I really appreciate it. I passed 100 videos the other day, and I only started in July. Hopefully you'll keep tuning in and seeing more projects from Kami's Garage.